Hello viewers, today with Team Donovan we're going to be making spicy deviled eggs. But first, please like and subscribe. We'll start by adding the eggs to boiling water for 12 minutes. While the eggs are boiling, we'll go ahead and prep the ingredients we're going to put into the mixture. Start by cutting up a quarter of a sweet onion. Next, I'm going to cut up some fresh pickles. I like to use them straight out of a jar instead of the relish. But if you're in a pinch and you have the relish, go for it. Now that the eggs have been boiled, add them to a nice cold ice bath. This will stop the cooking process and allow the shells to come off easier. Now we'll pull them out and crack them. Easily coming apart. And don't forget to rinse them off. Next, we'll cut them lengthwise. Then we'll dump the yummy yolk into there. This is where it starts to get a little bit spicy. We're gonna add some gochujang, which is some red pepper. I have some olive oil mayo or Miracle Whip, just what I happen to have on hand today. A bit of spicy brown mustard. And just a hint of lime juice. I don't have any fresh ones on hand. And now we'll go ahead and mix it up. Now if you need to add more mayo or maybe a little lime juice to make it more smoother, you can go ahead and do that. And we'll mix it some more. And get that nice and evenly distributed. Now we'll top off the eggs, some of the mixture. Now you're going to be left with a fair bit more than you need. So what I like to do is the next morning, use it on my toast. To finish off the spicy deviled eggs, we're going to go ahead and top it with bacon. Who doesn't love some bacon?